वापस से चलते हैं सलोनी के पास थोड़ा and get to know about the corporates. So you are working both in service sector and manufacturing sector, right? So what is the difference between
Right.
these two, service sector and the manufacturing sector, in terms of work, in terms of professionalism, what is there, and work culture, what is there? So what is the difference?
Okay. First of all, to answer that, that's a very tricky question, I must say. And to answer that question, I would first like to, give a disclaimer that anything that I mention is subject to my experiences, and it might not happen in the same case with you people. So when I compare a manufacturing sector with a service sector, I would particularly say that both have a difference of huge miles. So the work culture is completely opposite. And if we talk about, like, we'll talk about certain parameters, I would specifically talk about certain parameters here. First, if we see the work culture in general, the timings that we follow in a manufacturing sector or maybe an industry, for me, it was a 9 to 5 job. After that, nobody used to even ask where I am. So if you, and clearly guys, before approaching, any of these sectors, whether it's service or whether it's industry, you need to have some clarity with yourself. So within your head as well, कि हमें जाना कहाँ है? So what gives you clarity is not sitting and doing, talking to people and everything. You might have your own set of experiences always in life. So give that benefit of doubt to your life as well, your career as well. And I would genuinely like to, emphasize on this fact that considering I have a total work experience of 3.5 years now, half of it was in an industry and half of it is into service sector. I know that I experience both, and so I am, decisive of the fact where I want to pursue, or where I want to end up. So get a clarity on this before you choose anything, and don't make this decision too late, because if this decision gets too late, you've already developed your profile into a particular sector, into a particular knowledge area. Then it becomes a challenge for you. So make a decision. I'm not saying कि आप आज एक कंपनी में जाओ and कल उसको छोड़ दो. Give it a year, give it 1.5 years, 2 years, but don't give it more than that if you don't like it.
So how do you think one should choose as a service or a manufacturing, if they need to choose between two of them? How they need to
So,
choose?
okay,
What are the
I'll
parameters?
I'll quote the parameters and I'll give my preferences. So
Yes,
your
sir.
preference can definitely be the second option. So
Mm-hmm.
the first thing that I would like to mention here is money. Industry might give
Okay.
you higher money initially, and
You
also
mean
in the
manufacturing industry?
yeah, but in service sector, since it involves a lot of competition, it might give you a lesser money as compared to industry initially. Depending upon
Okay.
how you proceed in your career, your payouts will differ ahead in your life.
Mm-hmm.
You might get a very good package in a service sector also if you work hard for that.
Mm-hmm.
So that is one thing. Money is one concern that majority of the people have due to any reason. And that is one of the major difference between industry and service sector. Initially in your career, you might get a good package in an industry than a service sector industry. A manufacturing industry is high paying out a sort of an organization. Coming on to opportunities, well, my experience involved, a simple set of job in manufacturing industry, where in the service sector, I am getting new challenges. I'm facing new challenges each day. So I think that gives me proper learning. That gives me better scope of succeeding in life or having a growth in life, because I get to learn as much things as I want to with every passing day. But in
Okay.
manufacturing industry, again, I'm specifying this. This was subject to only my experience. I was doing this
Sure.
job for quite a long time, and which I didn't like. Many of people might be having this particular mindset कि ठीक है, मेरे को तो कोई नहीं दिक्कत है, मेरे को एक काम सीख लिया मैंने, मैं जिंदगी भर वो करने को तैयार हूँ. So people with that preference might prefer a manufacturing industry over a service sector industry.
Mm-hmm.
So my preference was different there. Apart from this, you have greater freedom with thoughts on how to express thoughts in a service sector company.
Okay.
The reason or why I'm saying this is because industry is particular fashion which is set since a long time. It cannot be altered. There's a lot of investment, there's a lot of manpower, there's a lot of, everything is involved in abundance in an industry as compared to a service sector industry. So when you are in industry, it will have greater rules and regulations. When you're visiting a factory, obviously you cannot wear whatever you want to. You have a uniform that you have to follow. You have a 9 to 5 schedule that you have to follow. But in service sector, you get flexibility in that. And also, one major difference I would like to mention here is an industry might sometimes restrict you locally, but a service industry would never do that. In majority cases, you always get a global exposure. If you work for it, again, it depends upon you, how you work hard, whether you're working hard for it, whether you are striving for it, whether you want that. And comparing both, please make sure that whatever you choose, you get job satisfaction. Because in the later, in the long run or in later in your life, job satisfaction gives you happiness, not money.
It's very important, I think. Job, आप जो काम कर रहे हैं, अगर वो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो guys वो होता है कि 6 महीने 7 महीने बाद you get fully irritated and frustrated with what you are doing. Trust
exactly.
me.
एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ जाता है, उसके बाद यू आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो. एक फॉल सीलिंग दिख रही है हमको, जो दिख भी नहीं रही है, बट उसके ऊपर नहीं जा सकते बिकॉज यू आर नॉट लविंग.
जॉब सैटिस्फैक्शन इज वन थिंग यू शुड रन अबाउट. मनीषा ने किया, शिल्पा फॉलोड हर पैशन.
शिल्पा फॉलोड हर पैशन. दिशा ने वो भी मूव ऑन करते करते फिर वो अपने पैशन की तरफ आई है. तो यू हैव टू आई थिंक गेट टू नो कि आपको क्या पसंद है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कैलकुलेट करना. आप जो भी काम कर रहे हो, ठीक है, इनिशियली आप कुछ भी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, आपको जो सामने में दिख रहा है आप वो कर रहे हो, बट एट अ सर्टेन लेवल एक 6 महीने आप टाइम लो और अपने आप को एनालाइज करते रहो कि आपको क्या पसंद है एंड गेट इन टच विद इट. हो सकता है आप पूरी उसमें नहीं इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हो, अपनी जॉब छोड़ सकते हो, अपने अपना काम छोड़ सकते हो, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आप थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अपने पैशन की तरफ इन्वॉल्व हो, जो दिशा ने किया एग्जैक्टली along with the job. उन्होंने जो कहा कि आप अपना जो टाइम है वो धीरे धीरे डाइवर्ट करो, लेकिन जो मनीषा ने किया वो अपने पूरा टाइम को डाइवर्ट कर रही है अपने प्रैक्टिसिंग करियर के लिए, जो कि उनका पैशन है. तो अपने काम को जो आप एनालाइज करना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो सबने कह रहा है, सलोनी ने भी कहा, गेट टू नो कि आपको क्या पसंद है और उसकी तरफ यू हैव टू टेक स्मॉल स्टेप्स लो, 1 या 2 स्टेप्स लो,
जैसा
ट्राई टू गेट टाइम.
जैसा दिशा ने मेंशन किया, अपने वीकेंड्स गंवाने पड़ते हैं. ऑब्वियसली गाइस, इफ हम हमेशा ये चीज सुनते हैं, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, तो सीएमए की पढ़ाई में फुल ऑन वीकेंड तो एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे थे. और जब अब वो अचीव एक माइलस्टोन एंड स्टिल आफ्टर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क वी हैव फाइनली अचीव द डिग्री एंड वी आर नॉट अर्निंग एनीथिंग, वी आर नॉट satisfied with our life or career, then what's the point of having that or that hard work that we have given into that particular course? So
exactly.
वो hard work हमें initial stage में, until unless we get that stability in our career, we require that hard work.
Exactly.
Plus knowledge will always be there. You'll have to keep on working on your knowledge wherever you are if you want to grow.
Right.
Exactly. Okay.
So
Disha,
just one small point which Disha just mentioned. In my corporate career as well, there's a particular, currently I am at a point where I feel that okay, fine, I'm into this profile for this much time, even though I'm learning new things in my work daily, but I want to develop my personality. So guys, if is the point where you are stuck on in your career, I have recently enrolled few free courses which have actually given me, the database or the data analytics knowledge. So there are always scope of improvements that you have. Enroll to those courses, give your time to that and learn. Never be, laid back in your life कि अब तो सब सीख लिया बस हो गया अब ये करते रहेंगे जिंदगी भर.
और
One thing
आज
that
के डिजिटलाइज्ड वर्ल्ड में आई थिंक कुछ भी स्टैग्नेंट नहीं है कि बस यही अब जिंदगी भर चलेगा. वो
Right.
कोई भी इंडस्ट्री हो, कोई भी फील्ड हो.
And I also want to add one point. It is okay to fail
Please.
sometimes. It is okay to fail sometimes. It is okay if you are not able to get the 100% wherever you are right now. Maybe you need to either improve, or maybe you can just switch the path if that path is not working for you. Because you need to get things work for you if things are not working for you.
and if things are not working for you, you'll learn something.
Yes, कुछ तो सीख ही जाओगे. या तो अच्छा आया तो आ जाएगा, या फिर एक्सपीरियंस आ जाएगा, या तो ये आ जाएगा या तो एक्सपीरियंस आ जाएगा. कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा, कुछ जा ही नहीं रहा है.
मनीषा प्लीज यू आल्सो गिव योर इनपुट. मतलब खुद को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हाउ यू शुड थिंक.
मुझे लगता है मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें सीएमए जब हम कोर्स कर रहे होते हैं हम तभी ये चीज सीख जाते हैं कि हमें स्टेप बैक नहीं लेना, हमें आगे धीरे धीरे कंटिन्यू करता रहना. बिकॉज वहां पे भी हम फेलियर्स बहुत देखते हैं. इवन मैं भी फेल हो चुकी हूँ एक बार सीएमए में. तो ये हम चीजें देखते हैं कि अगर हम या तो हम चलते रहेंगे और आगे जाके किसी दिन पहुंच जाएंगे. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, हम या तो नीचे गिर जाएंगे और बिल्कुल नहीं आ पाएंगे.
So we have to
these are the things.
मैंने एक बुक में एक लाइन पढ़ा था, इट्स एटॉमिक हैबिट उस बुक का नाम है. इफ नथिंग चेंजेस नथिंग गोइंग टू चेंज. मतलब कुछ बदलेगा ही नहीं अगर आपके लाइफ में ना, तो ये भी है कि आपके लाइफ में कुछ बदलने वाला भी नहीं है, स्टैग्नेंट हो जाएगा. तो यू नीड टू चेंज टू गेट सम चेंजेस.
It's okay if you don't know English. I meet a lot of people who are CMA. They have communication barriers. अरे नहीं आता तो सीख जाओ ना, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात ही नहीं है. There is no problem. If you don't know it, the first step is to recognize and acknowledge the fact that you do not know it. Because अगर हम उस बात से डेविएट होते रहेंगे कि नहीं भैया मेरे को तो आता है, उन्होंने नहीं, उसने मेरे अंदर नहीं देखा, शायद नहीं आता हो, और उस पे काम कर लो. क्या कोई बहुत बुरी बेकार बात थोड़ी ना अपने आप पे काम करना. वो किसी भी तरीके से किया जा सकता है. We can definitely start with communication for that matter.
Exactly.